everyone, let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS Set 2 2025 GA question number 8. Which one of the following option is correct for the given data in the table? This is the table and 4 options are given. First understand the table. First is given iteration 0, 1, 2, 3. Then input I, output X, output Y. Now let's check each option. Option A, for I greater than 0, x of I equals to x of I minus 1 plus I of I. So x of 1 will be x of 0 plus I of 1. So x of 0, that is 20, plus I of 1, that is minus 4. So 20 minus 4 is 16. X of 1 is 16. Yes, this is true. Now check y of 1. So y of 1 is y of 0 multiplied by I of 1. So y of 0 is what? 20 multiplied by minus 4. 20 multiplied minus 4, it's minus 80. Yes, y of 1 equals to minus 80. So for I equals to 1, x1 and y1 both satisfied. You can check for x2 and y2. So x2, that will be 16 plus 10, 26. Yes, this is true. Now y2 is minus 80 multiplied 10, 800. Yes, that also true. Next check x3 and y3. x3 will be 26 plus 15. It's 41. So 26 plus 15, 41, true. And y3 equals to minus 800 multiplied 15. It's minus 1200. This is true. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 all satisfied. Hence option A is true. You don't need to check option B, option C and option D. For clarity, let me check option B, C and D. In exam, you don't need. Okay. Next option B. X of I equals to x of I minus 1 multiplied I of I. So x of 1 equals to x of 0 multiplication I of 1. 20 multiplied minus 4, it's minus 80. X of 1 is 16. This is false. You don't need to check further, right? Next option C, x of I equals to x of I minus 1 multiplication I of I. This is same as option B. In option B, we already found it's false. You don't need to check. So option C is also false. And yi equals to yi minus 1 multiplication I. This is true. We already check in option A. This is true. The second part is true. First part is false. Hence, this is false. Next option D, x of I equals to x of I minus 1 plus I of I. This one is true. We already checked in option A. Then y of I equals to y of I minus 1, I of I minus 1. This is false. Let me check. Y of 1 equals to y of 0 multiplied I of 0. So y of 0 equals to 20 multiplied I of 0, that is 20. 20 multiplied 20, it's 400. What is y of 1? It's minus 80. Hence we found option A is true while option B, option C, option D are false. Answer will be option A. This is easy, just you need to check each option according to this table. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.